Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about iOS 18.1 beta which is released expected on this month. So when iOS 18.1 beta is released, then your iPhone Siri create many features and useful functions to manage your iPhone device. And also when iOS 18.1 launched, so your iPhone intelligence make many features and helpful functions for your device. So Apple Intelligence and Siri are personal intelligence system integrated deeply into your iPhone apps and Siri. So go back, tap on your message and type. So you can now type your message with Siri new functions and features. So also intelligence, you can manage your iPhone device. So go back. So friends, scroll down your control center. You can see here many features are changed when updating iOS 18.1. So you can scroll down. So you can see here new feature is, and again scroll down and you can see here list of options like serial wise. So airplane mode, airdrop, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, VPN. So swipe up and close the control center. So friends, after iOS 18.1 beta is released, then your iPhone make many functions to useful and manage your iPhone device easily and for easy way. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know many information about iOS 18.1 beta which is released on this month expected. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.
I'm a mess, wanna guess how I gonna